Okay, today we're going to talk about the hemispheres. The Earth has 4 hemispheres, and the word hemisphere basically means half of a sphere. You guys should all know that a sphere basically is a ball shape, right? This is a sphere, a circle, right? Globe is a sphere, a circular shape, right? So the Earth is broken into 4 of these, right? This map we're looking at right now is Earth, but it's Earth if we laid it out flat, which it's not. We live on the Earth is a ball, right? It's a globe. It's a sphere, okay? And when we talk about hemispheres, we're breaking the Earth down into half of a sphere. And the first line that divides the Earth into hemispheres is the equator. Okay, the equator basically runs right across here, and that's a terribly drawn line. And the equator, as you guys probably know, is the 0 degrees latitude. It is the warmest place on Earth. It's where most of where the Earth's tropical forests and rainforests are. But it is the dividing line for the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay. Now we Hoosiers live in here in America, right? And this is America, North America, right? And we live right south of Lake Michigan, right about there. That's Indiana. Okay, so we are in the northern hemisphere. But many of the places that we study this year, much of Africa, right, anything that's south of the equator in Africa, is going to be part of the southern hemisphere, right? And places in Southeast Asia as well as Australia are places that we're going to study. They're going to be south of the equator and thus in the southern hemisphere, okay? Now, the other 2 hemispheres are the eastern and the western hemispheres, okay? And they are divided by what we call the prime meridian. Okay, and this is 0 degrees longitude, and we're going to talk a lot about longitude and latitude in the coming days. Basically, this, as you probably can figure out, is the eastern hemisphere, and this is the western. So we live in the western hemisphere. Now, this class is called Eastern World Studies, so you can pretty much guess that we are probably studying things that are east of the prime meridian, right? We're focusing on this half of the world, right? We're going to talk about all of Africa. We're not going to exclude that spot over there. But this is the area of the world that we will be focusing on, right? Okay, we're not looking into Europe and North America and South America. We're focusing on the Eastern Hemisphere, both the northern and southern portions of the Eastern Hemisphere. And those are our 4 hemispheres.